Good evening, people. I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm so good. I'm so good. Who working? Yeah. I'm so good. Guys, share this video, guys. Kakabo. Good evening. I also no also go down. Kakabo. Okay, let me stop it. But maybe I play this music. This is my best music so far for Esther. Oh, I know the reason why I love this music. I know the reason. Now let me know the reason. Every time if I play this music, I did remember many things. So my people, good evening. Today I will talk about Epai Murphy, aka the social media president, and this lady called Doris Swedejemi. So guys, see this dress we are put on. So if you just want it, just let me know. At the seller. See my do sample for you guys. So all size. At the seller, So the thing they're very, very cheap and it's affordable. Okay. So see how we have it here. Okay, now you put on for winter, for summer. If you want to go Nigeria, you can also put it on in Nigeria. Hey, I don't follow you. Good evening, Agnes. Ija. I hope I'm safe today. This is why we say, see all these people. Yeah, they follow me this evening. I agree to now. I'll live for now. So men in the heart, you know, if you be man, you can order this very good material quality. This one too, now for men. You see, so this for men too. We have different, so very nice quality. Okay, Gladys, good evening. How much? Please contact me. The number, my number is there. Please. It's very good quality. Those where they follow me the back thing, they don't say any fat things on the cost. Me if you go joy, if you go arrange, you know, I say my thing, me come off for grant, so that's why they do my things. That's for me, I swear. So this one, maybe many of them don't fit my body. I get the white one. Okay, this is the red one. So this one, another one again, another pattern. One of my lady bought for this today. I go post some. But this one we are wear, so it's different. This one I put on so different for this one. You know, if you want, you can also contact me and see the sell this one. Okay. If you want, see this hair. If you want it, just contact me. Very affordable. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry about the price. Just call me. Okay, Jennifer. Are you balanced for your size? Jennifer. Okay, okay. No problem. My one and only. I greet you. Okay, just contact me for this week. See? Those of you that like pink. And I also have black for this. Okay. So that is it for now, guys. Please call me if you need anything. Me and sit down and talk about when they put love and life for this video now. I want to sit down and talk about this matter. If no, tomorrow now work does start again tomorrow. If me boy I know they get at come out every day. Hey, so too much busy. So I want to sit down. Yeah, my total tell me nah. It's you see. Oh yeah, me na God that come here. Ungrateful people or Boma say. Oh yeah, make una come listen to this thing. We be say I'm not talk so. This music we be say Esther play now. This music just belong to you guys. I want Boma say, I see there for mama, it there for papa, it there for friend where you see for road, it there for uncle, it there for auntie, it there for uncle wife, brother children, sister children, friends where you see for this abroad. People wait, and in fact, boy say there many. Oh, now remember what you call the apple now about this Epa Keso, Epa the Murphy, aka the only social media president. Where me myself I know. When Epa and Meya Wefe carry this woman Doris, this ungrateful human being, carry the matter come social media, they talk about a bay. Many live video presenters, they trust to give Epa, they cast Epa, they call Epa all sorts of name. They call them baby factory, baby producer, baby human trafficking. No name they don't call Epa. Why some come see John Epa say no, this thing so it's not good. Not be this kind of matter that they carry come social media. Me, many Jennifer, ima ladian. Epa o se me. Me. It's okay o se me. Me. But we truth they matter. Make we the talk on. Agimate matter. Good evening, Paul. So I can't say and I say pa Amiya Wefe. You dey wrong go for this matter. No matter what, say you and pa get quarrel. Must you bring this kind of case out for come out for social media? Pa it's time for an enemy. I want to say no more. Enemy. If person say they want really do document for person, do you know how much to do docu? This woman Kelly go ye power again, which also you know I talk and that and say this woman Kelly go your bo €100, €200, €100. He get tomatoes, he get Maggi, he gets enough for Kelly your bo, I Kelly your bo 100, 200, 100, 200. Sometimes you know see money give a pa see carry motor, see drive go up and pack things. Ungrateful human being. I come out here. I was against this art. I said, no, this is very bad. Don't do it. You understand? So because country where me there to get doku, I don't Percy where me know 15 years. Every baby. 15 years we born every baby. 1 month. Talk less than 1 year. I know many people like that. Some of them they will get picking after 5, 6 years, 6 or 7 years. The picking only 7 years, 8 years before they'll come to give them 2 years with all the old suffer. This to my pack can give you. Doris, now come here. Me, I'm not just care about other people. Waiting me know. Let me want to talk right now because me Jennifer, I felt day against her months back. I felt day against her because I know say nine people they get the coup for Jamie for different country. Why the road will bring people enter? Why they condemn her? Why they spoil her? They destroy her? Any road beneath people enter, they must destroy that road though. That is why if you see any Akate go Nigeria, you will see them for Lagos, for Ijare Moto, not follow the enter roads. Many of them they be evil heads. Many of them they be evil heads. Hey, why le moto? Why le Ijare Moto? Well, there be moto, okay, my people. Before all the days, hello, good evening, darling. I did live video. I did Facebook. Okay, Pink. Okay, I'll call you back if I don't finish. Yeah? Okay, love. So, my people, all the days that time, what some people they do on women for UK, on women, 15,000 pounds. 15,000. If you not get time, they go. If it's too cheap, if they're too say not cheap, they might give you is 10,000 or 12,000. Ya gbo ya lowe. Hey, one of my friends now where the gun she take go prison. Where the gun, yes, for this old woman to get doku. Doku is the thing without doku. No, you are nothing. You are nothing. People they suffer to get doku. You must get your money to pay cash. That time, then they go to Church of England, go wed. So tell our Edo people, we get bad belly. We not see money to do only. They go the report, they go give Home Office. Home Office called the boss of the churches. That period. Upma. To just boss the church. Maybe you be my friend. I tell you say tomorrow I'm not going to do marriage. I will tell you the church. You will go call Home Office. You say Jennifer, they go that so church. As they say, as Father man where do now? They'll just boss you now. They call the boss people anyhow for UK. The boss people anyhow. For the evil act where some of Edo people get. That is why I hate most of them. I dislike them with passion. They are too evil. They are too evil. They're evil. They don't get money to do. Who get money to do? They might destroy that road. That is why they destroy the road of Owome. Up till tomorrow. Before you want to go do marriage, you first go meet Home Office. You first go meet Home Office. Without Home Office not sign you, not give you approve, you cannot do anything marriage for UK. One, they will ask you how you take come UK. Home Office go ask your lawyer, make it ask you how you take come UK. The now visa you take come, how you take come. If now visa, when you expire, how you take enter the UK. They will ask you many things if not say produce or pian. pian, you'll see yourself. You'll see yourself for airport. Benin people, if you do, I don't fall now. Many of you guys are evil. That is why Muhammad was so evil. Wow, the evil man gonna get. That is why life not better for many of you now. Life not better for many of you now. That's why things they are. Many of them will be say they will carry people put for prison or the sake of documents. They will go call police for you or the sake of documents. That's why many of them they suffer. Evil people. Bible say the evil men do live with them, not after them anymore. Let me go back again to this evil Doris. A pause, a okian me, but I got me matter. Wagimata, I beg of what? I beg of what? Can you guys imagine when they carry Doris case come social media? Na a pa meya wefe. Na you carry a comments. Was a pa why? Why do you do that? It's evil. It's evil no matter what. Oh, what am I kigo ne pa? Or ma kigo newe 5,000 euro. Or if I can go your bo 100 euro, 200 euro. You get tomatoes. It is enough for. You understand? So, how do you people conseil pas leave on, make it go? CIA, Anema, Nenemi, they go. Yo, too much. Baby trafficking, Nenemi trafficking. They cause it, but they use all words. You they put red heads. Red head, they your heads, your pa heads, your my heads, your children heads. Red hair remain for your family because of my camera. Those way like my this thing, please put love for dear. Put love. Yes. A pa, true, a pa can just leave everything. A pa can leave everything for this woman. A pa can say, yeah, Doris, we are here. They go. A pa can they are all. A pa they are all. Doris get mind. Doris get the evil mind, the audacity, the goals. Omwa de wera yo dao. Omwa de ogiye lele. Omwa mwe pari court. Hey! You hear do na too much. Una wicked do. Una wicked. Person will give your pikin passport. Will give your pikin passports. Do you know what they call passport? Are you crazy? Are you mad? Are you that stupid that you don't know the meaning of passport? You don't know the meaning of passport? Somebody will give your pikin passports. Not only that, your pikin get passports. You can get 2 years. The one where if you born for somebody else, they can give her. Who did you wanna? Who did you? Who if you advise you say carry and go court? You don't know the law. A pa cannot go anywhere. A pa cannot go anywhere. Because now you tell and say, he sleep with you. You get belly. You can't see me time. Say I get belly. A pa say no problem. A pa sign put. That one I cry. No. I got a blood test. Whether I get time, fine. If don't be get time, but man, a pa go your place. I wait. Nyemae. They give him a luyeke. But nyemae. We're in law. Sometimes go to court. Sit down for courts. Take some sense for what the judge. Criminal things. All those things they do. You get minds. Waiting. You say a panel give you that thing. Only that thing a panel give you. According to a power. A person after 2 years. You as a mother. You feel collector. After 2 years. You feel collector. Abi? But if you say na husband and wife na you get pikin, the two na you get title or na you dey the right to claim the thing. Why you not see get patient after a partner see leave money for you, sister? Sister, no re Jamie, no re webo. People like you, I don't sorry for you guys. I want me. You don't wa. Me don't wa because me nuwa birane. Unless you want near my way me. Hey, I greet you, my sister. Jenny, I love what you are. Where you are. I just sell am, auntie, come and buy. I'm selling it. I have it here. Don't worry. I have all the clothes here. I'm selling it. Okay. People like you, you don't wa because of one dawaki. No we a pa the mofi or one isen. He have wife and 5 children. You man can go court. You teach the conquer and go prison. You see? And every day I dey pray for all my enemies. I don't care where they do. Iyan your boy you way iyan re lalo. Wa bia uri your boy ye kia uri lalo. You can we say one be me ye say I don't care who you be. You must regret time. Life must bad for you. Yes, life must bad for you. 100 years is not forever. Go and mark it. 100 years is not forever. Please stand up. Let me see it. Okay. 100 years is not. Look at it, mommy. 100 years is not for. Where the clothes? Now the people there. I still want to change my topic. I think I tell all this. This one start with 26, 24, 23, 22. Maybe this one. And the black one too. And the pink one. Bless the one, my lady Dovey coming for pink. Okay. And they said many things here, shadow. This now for men. Oh, very quality, good quality. If you have a wife, if you have your husband or boyfriend, and quality very good. Yeah. On yourself. You know, men things there. Yeah. You understand? So 100 years is not forever. If I do good for you, you beat me for my good. So, Madame Doris, on so now you are so ungrateful. You want to go put my way, get 5 children and wife, put for prison. All the sake of your greedy. You are greedy. You see? You see where your greedy come carry you go. Hey, all do my do body. All do my do body. All do my do body. Oh. A passport yatana, sister. I'm a passport. I'm a boy. Hey, people like you that pretty for this life. Where people like that. I'm a passport. I'm a no monu be. When I can make do, I'm 2 years away. No muke nenemi re. E Burkina Faso, I'm 2 years in there. Do not see wait. You go to pay Nepal. Pay me where people go get money. I don't see who use 25,000 pounds to do document twice. 25,000 pounds. Ibava. First time or where the thing no work. The person eat the money. The second time, now he can't work. At the end, that guy spent 25,000 pounds. A bomanina. Or me ebe, you go buy like this. Because you know I take suffer. No less suffer. He paid the money cash. 25,000 pounds. You know, you motherfucker. All those ungrateful human beings. You know, they put people say, okay, they say, Epa, you be pastor. Epa, which pastor you be? Who ordained you? Do what in your mind. Don't allow anybody to put you say, Epa, allow for what? That woman there, you open high. You know, say what he man do so na bad thing. I wish say he put a path for prison. Many people for the social media, for online video, they cause a path. They happy. They happy. They say, hey, Atiti Prophet. Hey, Pana, you be that one. I greet you. I used 25,000 euro before I got my document. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Like this is my cousin to person. She turned me to the bad person till today. She makes it okay. Those how many people? Not build that one. Baby say me no. One girl. You tell me na where the gun? Now you go prison. Where the gun? She pay oh. She be pay. Where she take the marry? Where they marry? You know. And the man put ring for the hand, and police boss the place. They boss the place. Both the white guy, pin to police station. You know now, some Oyibo, they are very weak. They know they feel they behave like the way we Africa behave. That guy say, yes, now my husband. When they give Oyibo coffee finish, Oyibo tell the truth. Oyibo open up, say, no, they want to pay me money, you see? They give that girl 2 years. 2 years. Now they give that girl. One you're a bad girl, we go between her. Students, now she be. She will still do the same on me. She did Lagos now for over 5 years. Over 5 years. She paid with her money. At the end, they see boss that place. That was the year UK they boss. Ishish church. Where they do marriage. They boss everywhere because now beneath people, if you do, now see they link them to home office in a fake marriage. Now you see who give your picking passports. Who I bet you say, come on, Wagimata. A pa not do anything bad here. A pa leave everything for this girl. He leave money, a pa tita greet you, sir. He leave everything for this woman. See, all the old people say, hey, pa live on, see, a pa live on. After 7 months or 8 months, this woman get mind. This woman get mind to go carry person, will give you passport, carry and go court. I beg go. If not me, that blood test, I'll go to one. Epa, you now, you cannot say no anymore because you are not the judge. Judge put up back and say, go and do blood test. Epa, go and do blood test. Go and do that blood test. Baka. Epa, go and do blood test. Blood test will show say, not be you born pikin. Not be your fault. Yes, because you sleep with her. Yes. She come meet you say, she get belly. Yes. You be Benin man, a traditional man. You know if you deny pikin. You accept her. Yes. That woman, you must see yourself for a car. Uyaze a car. A couche. Yes. Yes. You're going to speak a car for dear. You are evil. The evil men do live with them, not after them. Do you know what they call documents in this abroad? I'm not sure. But you get a mababa. You get enough for. You get nitan. Ne pa 200. 200. When me be here and say, 200. 100. If not so is there for UK. All the whole UK people will not get document until tomorrow. Yeah, I have been passports. 200. 100. 100. Ebe no am ebe who dey go you wa agwala no do marry we. I beg, I need original person, real person wala wo. Wa agwala real. Those do put. I feel we go you way. Some people don't do one many 3 times. E soro iga woman in travel. You will get document because now marriage docu you get. You know if you travel. You want to wait, make after 5 years, go apply for indefinite stay. Because you feel say if you travel, go Nigeria, if they return back, they go ask you say, where's your husband or where's your wife? Then they ask for questions. Then they ask for airport. I don't see for airport. One boy with the key. I want baby boy ni. Or you can Nigeria day. Or one true airport or ya sunu. Na person we have no. Upon all the old money where that boy spent for Doku. She go Nigeria as they come. Then they ask question for airport because now marriage Doku na. Where's your wife? He say my wife they ask. Can I have your Can I have your wife number? Yes. Then they ask, or can I have your husband the number? Then they ask. They'll collect. They'll go corner or they'll go office. Go call. They'll come call wife. Call. Wife green picker. Wife not picker. Wife not picker. They detain that boy for airport. The next day, police can carry and come out. The next day after, after 2 weeks, they can go detention camp. Now lawyer, now he can stand for that boy. They withdraw that boy Doku 5 years when they give for him. That 5 years, 15,000 pounds now they carry for the boy hands. Then people pay white people here in Germany to get Doku. Yes! 15,000. A boy ni o iladia. Or when the boy fit come out for detention camp. Iye l'écoute. Non, America. A boy ni to lelele. Ya marry. America. I don't know it. Kona because he know say he won't with a UK or phone. He don't fit get document again for UK. He never caught something. How go take get? Then go look for iye l'écoute. But it's our people always asking for money. Not to just be kind. Yes, they ask for money because those one they still know the way they take get and you go give Doku for free. You will they ask this question. We are the no one. Any meji agamugo men medenia yiri ne me ego every ma o yiri go yiri benoma simple as ABC bakan. You see? Na so it be some people then you give them money wow in that thing they don't want. You will give them money. They don't want. They don't want that money. I get one bros that time. He go we are thinking, oh, he money check out. La money egwalo to do. Do free no. Do it money no. Take money no. Because he no wants that thing. So anybody will do one for anybody. Now good thing. Yeah. We should make peace. What about if a pa can't go prison call? What matter? They go do it to now. If that woman do it to me, la. If I don't do that woman, may go Nigeria. Wow, man, equal. You are a bad woman, yes. She's a bad, evil woman. Greedy, you see, we are greedy. They carry some people, they go greedy. This greedy, it's too much. When you are greedy of something, it's very bad. Greedy can lead you to, I don't know. Who will advise you? Say, Carry will give you passports. Go courts. You can't really carry who give you passports. Hey! Well, too much though. Some of you now wicked though. Some of you now dangerous so. Some of you now wicked though. You want carry person. Will make you get stand for the country with 2 legs. How do I know if it's a bad man? Person will carry somebody, will give him Doku, give him passport, go courts. How you call that person? That woman not pay money finish you. I do not forget for this social media. You not pay pa money finish my people. Okay, you go ye pa ball. First say pa call the collect most more money for the picking. 200, hundreds. Okay, you go ye pa ball. Okay, at the end, a pharmacy go and see everything. That one way can they find now say make a pa giver. According to a pa say now after 2 years, that woman have the rights to go collect her. Because as far as say if I know what that woman they pass through for a pa, it don't pass through anything. Because as far as say that time, say if they pass through, according to how everybody judge the case, if I let them be, let them go. If I let them go, abi, if I ask her anything again, if I call the woman again, no. If I not call the woman again, the woman not call a pa again. If I leave the money, leave everything. Even the one where a pa be they collect, a pa stop everything. Nah, wala oh, we are fight. Why do you say me? I know they invest for somebody because a part of my friends, a part of my enemy. You have not my friends. Oh yeah, me. But me, I got me matter wagimata. Do you understand? So because what is this one be want to me put a path, enter prison. Not say the table go turn against her. Who get passports? Now mine be. He stay with you, or low away, Now you can tell and say you get belly, He really stand as a father, Today now, no big get picking, Yeah, that one not be case, oh. That one a prison, no. If I can never go prison, now Jew that will withdraw that document for your hand because you lie. You guys don't even know case. I beg. When my court case, if you pass it, make it really do bad, make it really do this woman bad, you go tell the case again. That means you deceive me that I'm the baby father. Meanwhile, I am not. You understand? So, what do you call me? Hello? Hello? Hello, well done.
Yeah, can I contribute?
Okay, my talk.
Yeah, what you are saying, you are very right, my sister. Because it's good that a part did for her, but whatever she's passing through, though we don't know, they say they're not the here for one person to judge, you don't understand. But what you they talk now true. Because to bring that person palace, European palace, say that person, not easy. You understand? That's when you talk, say one man like that, say even if they give her money, say no, even if they're free, say no, me, I be that kind of person, me. By the grace of God, since 14 years I've become European citizen, 2027. Even if many people don't offer me, I don't want to measure how much. But my children won't know because my children still get ballet. They want to go Canada or they want to go Australia. I know they agree. If you like, give me 20K because I never see anything while our black do when come out where they
okay. Okay.
Even my children, many women like that, they'll use money and tell me, make they use my own and my children will take. I said no, because that money, the money big, but our people must put you to problem. That's one, I they bless everybody. No, this help not they again. Nothing you will do with a Nigerian when Torino will come out. Not that they talk and go, they talk and come out. I don't know why it always be like that.
Okay.
I don't know why every time but if they say stories like this now, even when social media never did, when Facebook never did, nothing, sorry. If they talk everywhere go good, immediately you bring out your pale or
trouble.
Immediately you bring that help. I don't know the devil when they enter they say I beg go deal with her. No. Me our people are not no shower me. That man when they make example, we can hear you when they say get one man when you know.
Yes, so
will get time. When me get time, it never started to rain like this for Europe. 14 years now. Like 14 years ago.
Okay.
So that time. 10 years ago, I know how much one woman offered me.
Okay.
Me 2 children, two of his daughters use my children because me I get boys.
Good evening, Mama Becky. One of UK. I greet you, ma.
I said no because if they want put you for problem, they go do
well, they are wicked though. Thank you, love. Thank you. You get one comment where be say whether I'm not know what you talk for dear. Let me tell you, they call a party friend. Many people will carry people for prison all the sake of paper. You go reap your soul. You go reap what you sow. You must reap up the cake. Now yeah, will see they reap your soul. You go eat your shits. They go lie against people. All the sake of paper, you go see eat your shits. Yes. I don't know what you're about. What you okay. That woman not say a pa get 5 picking. He get 5 children. He get wife. We cannot go court. No matter what. No matter what. A mother have 5 children and a wife. You can't go court. What do you think say your wife go do? He will go dey happy. Go dey jump. Thank you. A pride movie can never go to prison. Not that law of to sign for doku. He may mind a law. If I come out now, say one man give me belly, that man come stand for me. At the end, they can't do test. They come find and say the man no bigger picking. Don't go waka yona. Baka, opa, yi, nyema o. E tell you yeke. Okay, love, me and put on here. Okay, he's there. The number is here. You understand? So he tell you okay? Which prison a part they go? Where? Which prison they? I beg you. This woman now good for you. Epa beg. Go do blood test. He can't sweet. I mean anyway, he can pay. He can pay. I do my do body. You want do me. Nobody is born by a woman who put in for a prisoner. I might be aware now. It only case you own. Oh, you know the case was oh my see like Ikiawo. I will turn case your heads. Now you don't come put the case for your heads. You will no law where. So a pa no get fault for this matter. A pa no get problem for this case. Now the woman grading. So they worry the woman. You don't feel wait. A pa leave money for you. A pa leave everything for you. Say they go. Carry they go. After months and months. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Because he get mad. Go take carry a man. Go court. You want me the man use okay. No, my sister. You think say if you carry a pack go court or put on for prison for your sake? Okay, we get later, man. That's what I be. And nobody's putting more fire. But let's be saying the truth. Nobody's putting more fire. But what this lady did to a pa and his wife is very bad. And say, oh, now good he do for the woman. He not do bad. Not be told they do that job. Now business with the all over the world. People they do one. Do you know how many people do not make money? There's one guy where I know that I will say depend at the rate for UK. That boy stand for more than 10 people. Depender. Not the rate that time. That boy stand for more than 10 people. You know how much they pay the boy. You know how much that boy collect. If I tell you, your hair go big. It go big. Sometimes, some even some self-way assistant give, you can't turn. Makata. That is it. Now business. Business and business. All business. Now business. So, what is it? Say now. So, not be a pastor tambo. Not be a pagosi enda. Yes, not be a pastor tam. Not be a pagosi enda. You understand? Hello, my love. Ye butter. Yes, my guanje. You're speaking the truth. God bless you. Yeah, my me. You see? Oh.
No matter what, where power, okay, no matter what, because
I dislike them so much with passion. Okay. You see? Jesus. They don't even know the law where they the country safe. Which money? Evidence, Iroa. Can you prove? Bring the proof out. Take it to court to say, "La sister." Hey, these people don't know anything. For a break. Many people were joining that. Many people were joining that. Thank you, Joy. Okay. Oh. Kakabo, ya no. Me 40 na e pe no sigo anu e pe ma sigo awon nu akyan mi go akyan oh. Thank you, Joy. Agua. No, Western. I never eat. Okay, Wese, come on me, Wese. Okay. No je la voix non. Do you have any evidence? Wait, give a pa money. If you even get now, you don't for prison. Nonsense. Hello. Hello, good evening. Oh yes, man. La law well though.
Okay,
Okay.
in your program, can
Oh.
can I comment?
Yes, man. Go on. Go ahead. Yes.
You man watch I mean nana better. You are going live and why now me and I really love the way we are going. I love the way why I address issue of the morphine when we're at that time where all my neighbor no matter was seen on an auto bed, yes,
Kakabo.
So, even again, you will go again. The morphine I did here, I did not your corrigani soon. Here, tied the morphine or not forget about it. Like, but after so many months, again, I advise say.
A court. Hi. Oh, record in now. Hey, Georgie, time you go and do a blood test. Hey, Paya, blood test.
So, if you know soon the mama when you are net Murphy, the Murphy after me I will yes. Or see a guy again, a condo here, or do it or jouer in your way or say, or Virginia, or Dore or Viama, and I think.
Kakaba, you must say, last time check up. I do my good body.
I reject.
Erioma no mommy. Erioma say. Erioma say.
So everybody is social media. They talk bad against Eddie Murphy. They don't know anything. They don't know.
Law. You the law of the control of these things. When you know the law, Eddie Murphy is the right person to say, oh, we law we get a law we care. You get a law we care. So he did now more. Emma signing there. Oh. Good evening, Desmond. Last time. When I put love and like for this video, guys.
So anybody know when you have your money, you have to say or Taniyake, you know, Taniyake. When again, you don't work with him, Connie.
Caro, no ya zekaro do. Bad person.
Anything anybody did attack. Anybody know the attack? In London, where any other people, the man has seen in Jamaica.
Oh, people suffer. Where you go there? Where we be? Where UK? Where's CJ? Your mommy, where's it? Where's it?
I really like the way you are and Timothy. I very young and Timothy. It was a local
where's the money? Amen. No. Amen. Where's CJ? Where's the mommy? Where's it? Ouais, c'est. Sister, come UK. Come see as people they suffer for documents. Il y a mes documents. 15 years, il y a un royaume. Et son nom, voyant moi, so ye prison, c'est comme doku. Et son nom, il y a un carré me konya ou don't need to go give people doku. Il y a un mien yegan, ou de ebe. Do you know what they call documents? Are they passport or monu beer? They give this woman passports. No, they give a Peking passport. They give her 2 years. The one where born for Morocco and Libya, wherever I take carry Peking come, they give her 2 years. 3 people. Now a pa give like that too. A pa, lao you do you know if you do anything again. Or say cut ne eh? Why she crying now? Why go vie now? So you know why go vie? Not be waiting you sow the reap. Father God, let all my enemies, everything where they sow concerning me, make they reap. Yeah, if I pay. I will boma yesi. Who will most only pay? And you are so ye a that one where you pay. Oh, make can because now this ex, now fire day, now every day, now sweetness day, now good thing day. 10 years is not forever. If I do good for you, be who you are to me. I don't give a fuck. You must reap what you sow concerning me. Because you are ungrateful human being. I want boma yesi. And I'm here with you, area me with be. BJ, uncle, auntie, brother, evil brothers, evil sister, evil uncle, evil everything. They're all evil. Oh, boma yesi. They go, you remember the bad one where you can't do, now they can't remember. The good way you do for them. In fact, to just forget the good. Me will get somebody doku. Who do movie and ye courts. Awa. Till you die, we can never play again. Aga isebe se police station ne iku kiari awe. Aga isebe se e court ne iku. Ari awe no. Omo no see where a court is your enemy. Omo no see where a police station is your enemy. Yes. Now so it be. Let's be honest. This woman Doris, you are greedy. You are evil. As a power wife talk, I watch the video tomorrow. He say what they made your daffy yet your ballet be who threaten ye kinye come on. Yes, do it because go and reap what you sow. Inye not bow wedjo, inye not push wedjo. Go and fight those people because you too you are evil, you are ungrateful. Because who give you those 2 people are they are your second gods. No matter what they did to you, they are your second god. You respect them. I greet you, my dear. Good evening. They are your second gods. Yes. Eh, me and all my madam yeme. All my madam ye problem. All my what's your body been madam. Bad traffic. It was a bad advice that make this issue. Which are bad advice? How can somebody go just their life as me your be so or one at the baby man because I get one friend say Jennifer Maricot me Ijo awa Ijo we are not saying my leg never even strong for grants. You will get 2 years. You will get passports. Forget about passports. Where you know how you take get doku. Hey, some people say yeah, one sha. We are brain day. Sometimes this brain is not about going to school. There are some brain where God will give you from heaven. And one salo boy you go ya do. And one salo boy you go ya do. Nobody advise son. Na evil. Na in minds. You go see yourself, go to follow a pa meya UFA, go to do orphanage home. Yes, go to give all the orphanage. Orphanage where you get for Bini, who ya go and win oh pay one because na pa meya UFA. Never carry the mother call social media.
At that time, I felt there against some more. I said, Madam, you don't know what they call documents. When I see a bay, a what do you go ye? Ya got a bay, me. Oh, I don't know why we say, oh, Denivier Dollar. Why we say the road was from beneath people they enter. Why did they destroy that road? Why did they destroy that road? I want to know why. Before this month, tourists go daily Lagos. Then Ajebo we have most helper. If not, we go rubbish Ajebo on his way. Because una call the come now they beg a pa no fit do anything again. A person English court, even though risk no even greet a pa. Eruwe je awa boma yesi. Doris no greet a pa. Person na he even fe greet Doris. Dorisi, who e mumi aje court? Again, a judge no guy, okay. Go and do blood test. That's why he went blood test, you. He went blood test. Judge, you wear cut, maca like cut or four. Bye bye. And they judge ya wore or a tan on more lebe cut. Opa. Yeah, wait, into this one, so have you? He has him a job. He has him a job. He will blood test you. He will blood test you. Hey, Papa, where? I don't see. I can't be Jay. Hey, Pai, would know. Now, what again? Salopua, the eggy Makayajo. Oh, I need to go for grants. Yes. Doris, go and do blood test. Where I need the blood test, oh boy, because he pa. No nyamo, enya need the blood test, oh boy. So, Paddy Murphy, your ministry and back to sender. That judge did not say that it was a pa. It's a pa that said it on live video. But the woman talking and say, they say, me go do blood test now. Me we no ma etie start talk show we nya we ya we blood test happy iya pa ya we blood test we let judge tell judge not talk am go and do blood test make many of them use them to make example those where they go sign for na pikin marry better man una will say no you do not think go marry better man black man will say get paper. This software they put up for many of our heads. Before you open your leg, boom, look for man to get paper. Look for black man. If no matter Oyibo, look for black man. You know, see where he get doku. Look for black man where he get doku. Born for. Most so born for. Man, you not get. Oga, you not get. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Some ladies say they are very useless. So, yes, they don't get sense at all. So you be so. I don't get doku. I go the friend man. We don't get. Oh nah, are the Chris? No nah, it's not possible. No. I will still look for who see get. You are still born for. If not, doku be your problem. Do you understand? Many people for this abroad that time, they're not born. You know, they get the money to do doku. Hello? Hello, dear. AJ. Good evening, ma. Go on, yeah, go on. Osas, good evening, darling. Good evening. Hello. We're going to go to tomorrow now. Walk.
Jennifer, what we best here?
Yes. She said, good evening, ma. Iya ye benene na o ye ne pa mu da ne passport. Kakabo? Kakabo? Oh my, oh, Iman sure. Amigo, I beg you, I can't do. And was it you? What about that? €12,000. Voilà. Oh, get back me. Test. A part-time, a part wage, away a dodgy way near way test. So, a part, ya wait test so. Because nobody know all done you as a pastor. Go and do test to remove that stain out of your body. You get your logo, eh? You get your deal with say. Say you so people, eh? Greedy mother. Where's CJ? Yeah, my pay nepa where you all now. Why would all your Kelly go pa bo €100, €200, €100, €300? You go here. You go na we be here. When at here, you go ebe. Where even a two, I came out to say no, this thing is very bad. €100, €200. You go here. Moi a problem. I'm gonna son no. Why do I even ne? I beg you, what money for? And kakabo. And where's CJ? My people, you see, there are some people there which they know what fit do. The battle say, Epa not do anything for this one, no. Epa did not wrong this woman, oh. E say Epa the more few no huna. Wagi maabone na temata. Mani vie do magami mata maeta. no when gay people we don't do doku, we don't count money come out. Now they go tell una about doku be 12,000. In fact, yeah, kidding you go eh? They will use how many years to gather money. Sometimes money go waste. Husband they no go see. Wife they no go see. 12,000, 25, 20, 15. Who see the keligo ige tomatoes keke ige magi. Ige is enough for oma akele nepa. E pama ya mi kere e pass collect the pikin o journal. They come on. Hey pa, mjima trafiki, baby trafiki, any trafiki. Now you pass it leave. Okay, only that thing. What's it there with a pa? Why you not see get more patients? I paid $25,000 for my own. Do you know what they call documents? Maybe you say many people now really talk about that because you want me you go if I want zebugoni or see where if you suffer gather that kind of money gather around you know say now good a part do for this woman. Do you understand? You will know that in a good a part do for this woman. Me I know how doku be. I don't see many friends. I don't see many people who say they deport. Go be say that they do marriage. The boss, peer, students will be they study for a year. They cannot go back. Upon all the old money, he still go prison for his side. They cut 2 years for her to do 1 year. Someone, you know, now you know. So Epa. My Ghana girlfriend is paying 18,000. This woman come kele, tomatoes, nye, mangi, is enough for one kelelepa. Today you see get minds. One mwedioma, Epa, because they na a way bold they make us the young. Why am I young? You just say you feel put her for prison. Epa will get wife. 5 children for us. Why munya rie nana? What did you? Man, people that's what I talk on this show. Make na let Doris suffer for your own wickedness. Yes, Bible say, suffer not the wicked to live. Suffer not the wicked, the wish to live. A woman who have a wicked and demonic heart to carry your fellow Edo ma. Go court. The same Edo man who do you a favor. The same Edo man who give your picking passport. The same Edo man who give you 2 years. The same Edo man who give another of your picking when you born. So yes, Doku, you get the mind. Carry and go court. Who did you now? You are evil. People like you, they will run away for you. If I be your friend, I go wrong. If I be your friend, for you to do it to a pa, you will see do it to me. I go, in fact, I go borrow leg, John leg, Teron. Why you not go look for Ebo Mary? Many black that time, I remember now those our brothers with a go Jamie. Jema bag Jema bag Jema baby. You cause the day we get white hair for Mekus. Now they carry come Nigeria at that time. Why? Now Doku. Ladies that time Nigerian one way gets your hair. The money hair, anything na hand, that the man they do. They follow all the sake of Doku to get 2 leg for the country where they did. He get one boy that time, never get Doku that time, a long time. That boy say, "Oh, who said this? Say be yes, the boy, if that man they talk now Now those old school men wey fit go abroad 1900. Oh we hey, a document me na. Iye agbije me ku. Iye agbira me ku. Era no re mi. Iye eku awa. Oh we, you said he may say is the way, is the lalo. Oh, is the lalo. Oh, it's a way. Ebuari sanye. Yela di sanye pa. Where go back here? Where go back there? Jema baga. Where go back there with monitor? Oh, yani hotel. You ain't near the man. You're for ground. You get the oh, where? Ebo. Kisage ya. Iko na la. For documents. The woman message show. He go like now this idiot. So give her document for free. Now I carry a bag of course. The mouse say, hey, hey. Oh, me and laugh finish first. I you remember that my doctor, oh, it that's a long time, years back. Oh, hell. Oh, hell. A document me that. Yeah, good ramen already cool. It's bad a talker. I'll say, pa, why good time where a document me now, my God. Oh, women, understand. His document when yeah, great I'm not very cool. How see every time I video. How Eddie me, yeah, go a cool. Eddie me got K or got Kevin Ladia. Jennifer better too. Oh, that Kevin Ladia. Yeah, we baba. Wait a minute. Yeah. Who said he say a document me now? Ki sage ke ye la lo. Me I got to go. Oh my God. Me I got to go. Me I got to go tomorrow na work. Oh we ki sage ke ya. Hey. Oh we boss is sage. When you mo ba. Oh, Jennifer. Oh, get on your way. Oh, my neck wagwa. The mouse say, oh, the mouse. Okay. Oh, now one time he say. I say, me must see put. I suffer before I get my okay. You see, Anna? He say he will not see pay. Oh, Jenny. How we are lalo. Oh, I wake it again. Sagan Laja. Hey, we want me. Oh, my no marry. Am I marry you? Want to know you? Passport, Gemma P. Sister, bye bye to Ekaro. So, my people, una do well, eh? Sometimes appreciate people, no matter what. No matter what, always appreciate. Always remember the time that person take do good for you. Not be all every time bad. No. Try. Epa Edimofi, aka the social media president, the #1 saga man, the #1 now is not a pastor. Please, see all these people now. If I disconnect yourself for that woman, go and do that blood test. If you come and say no, you get picking, If that woman call you again, you call police for her. That is it. Now, so me talk my own because people like this will be ungrateful. I use facts. I dislike them with passion. I dislike them with passion because they're not going to remember the goods what you do for them. Wa muya reo ene no, wa rebenia o ene no, uga epia o ene, uga epia pay school fees. Okay, ibinya ene no. If not pay ene no, wa muya yo wa we ene no, wa muya yo wa we ene no. Wetin I want make Juma be do for now? Eh? Wetin I want make them do for now? Wetin I want make Juma be do for now? Why ma? Some of you now, he dey family or he bokwa. He dey everywhere, friends so people like this so So that's why I talk and reach, eh? So my people, Epa, take care of yourself. So you not like who before. Epa, take care of yourself, eh? Or if you like me carry babagida we don't die, can't beg you. Run away for him. A book or if you see poison, or the anyway. Yes, that kind of woman if give somebody poison eats. Woman will be say passports. You know, passports will be like gold for where some people dey. If God wants surprise now, he's always choosing a bag and pick. Also there. No. Hey, pan on the flat. No. Hey, pan on the flat. Oh. Hey, pan on that only that you wife. Now a pan just deal with. A pan flat. Oh. A pan more na. They can't get hello again. No. Even no. It's not go possible. Now juju be that one. That one na juju, not be juju. Oh, na do my people. Me I go rest because tomorrow by 6 o'clock I don't wake up. Oh yeah, buy your stuff. Buy. Good quality. I can call my lady. We see like this. This me I can't call her. When I buy, when I come buy, affordable price. God can change anything. Okay, oh, if I go do, oh, maybe we see the back to send that. Oh yeah, buy your this wig. Okay, now wig cap, now be this. So this one, it come with 4. If you buy free some for you, okay, 26, 24, 22, and 20. Okay, now good. So this one we are put on so then be this. Okay, any size where you want. If you call me, you know, we'll post and come give you worldwide. Okay. So before my phone go off. Okay. Call me guys. Order yours, okay? Order yours. This one different from the one we are put on so order yours, guys. Order. If you be mad for the house, please call me and order for your wife. Order for your girlfriend. So many of them know who. Come and order for your wife and your girlfriend, eh? Oh, Bele. Oh, Baba. Oh, Jenny. Togo me phone. Oh, yes. I've said mine. Okay. This another one. You see now the good thing about this one we are put so you feel wear them for summer, for winter. If you go Nigeria, you see you feel wear them. It's very, very nice. You see how much? Yeah, Jesse, please call me. Okay, tell me which one you want. I go send. I can't give you. Okay, just call me. So you see, and so now so you be. I'll send the one where I get how much be the pink. Okay. Call me now. Call me, love. Yeah, call me for your. I will call me. Call me for my number. You see this one? It did. So, men, men are order. My toge, a Dorisine, ungrateful person. This is for men, okay? For men, for winter. This is for ladies. I have the white one for this shirt. It's my personal use. So, yes, my people, thank you, guys. Okay, order yours. It's very affordable price. When I know me now, I know they sell my things. Here, collect you. That's for me. Okay, my people, thank you. Okay, una we be ungrateful people, please make una feel weary. Okay, it's not good. I'm fine, Kevin. I'm fine. If person do good for now, make now always they appreciate that person. Okay, no matter what. Okay, that person carry the combo, person not carry the combo, person happy for the cool. Always appreciate people, and it's very, very important. When you are the wrong, remember the good things that person have done for you. Always appreciate that person. It's very, very important. Okay, always appreciate what that person has done for you, no matter what. No matter. Many people don't carry people who carry the entire prison. You will say you dey happy. God will also punish you, because now goods that person still do for you to carry come abroad. Yes, paper issue now see good. Anything now see good. So we're better worry, make na take am easy, because this life now why are they happy? This life so now fire day, now a good day. Anything when you sow for this life, you go reap am before you go meet Baba God. After that, you see go receive your own punishment for where Baba God see day. That's how it be. Thank you for watching. I remain your girl Jennifer Curry TV. Bye bye.